Today I'll walk you through exactly how to fix email formatting in MailerLite so your campaigns look clean, professional, and pixel perfect before they land in any subscriber's inbox. If you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Start by logging into MailerLite, navigating to campaigns, and opening the email you want to fix. Once you're in the editor, scroll through from top to bottom. You're looking for anything that's off, misaligned text, broken spacing, wrong fonts, missing images, or distorted buttons. That first full scan helps you spot every issue before you start fixing. Now work block by block. Click each heading and confirm the font size, weight, and alignment are consistent throughout. Do the same for your paragraphs. Check that font sizes match, line spacing is even, and text alignment is uniform. If something looks wrong and you can't identify why, suspect hidden formatting from copied text. Paste that content as plain text, then reapply your styles inside MailerLite. This strips out any invisible baggage carried over from Word or the web. Next, check the spacing between blocks. Review padding and margins. Uneven gaps between sections can make a well-designed email feel chaotic. Adjust until the layout breathes evenly. Move on to images. Confirm every image loads and displays correctly. Replace anything missing or distorted, and resize any oversized files. Large images frequently break email layouts, so use optimized dimensions. Check your buttons, text, alignment, size, spacing, and link destination. Inspect multi-column sections and make sure content fits each column without crowding. Verify background colors offer enough contrast to keep text readable. And audit your fonts. Stick to a small, consistent family throughout. Review your divider blocks and cut anything unnecessary. If you've used custom HTML anywhere, open that code and scan for errors because even a single misplaced tag can throw the entire layout off. Test your merge tags. Confirm personalization fields like subscriber name and company name are pulling in real values. Finally, open preview mode and walk through every section carefully. Then, most critically, send a test email to yourself and read it in an actual inbox. The editor preview can hide issues that only appear in a live email client, and this step is what truly signs off your formatting. Once your test email looks right on both desktop and mobile, you're done. Your MailerLite email is formatted and ready to send. Thanks for watching. A like helps the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.